Master Blends, right?
Yeah, this Master Blends.
He got his own YouTube channel.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're going to be making garlic Alfredo chicken wings. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, welcome back. So let's go ahead and get started on these chicken wings. So I just got a couple chicken wings in the bowl. We're going to go ahead and soak these in some buttermilk. Just like that. And our special ingredient, pickle juice. We're going to pour a little bit of that in there. So just take that, mix that in. Just like that right there. We're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on that Alfredo sauce. We're going to start off with half a stick of butter. Ow. Next, we're going to add a little bit of garlic, just about 2 tablespoons. All right, next I got about a pint of heavy whipping cream. All right, next I got about 5 ounces of shaved Parmesan cheese. Put about half of it in right now. Pour the rest of it in. If you want to shred your own Parmesan, you can go ahead and do that as well. And you just want to keep mixing this up till the cheese melts. So I'll get back with y'all in a minute. All right, this is still cooking. I just want to put a little bit of salt and pepper in there. All right, we're gonna let this simmer for about another 5 minutes. It should be ready. We're getting ready to go ahead and fry those chicken wings. Catch y'all in a minute. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and make the batter for the chicken wings. I just got some cornstarch in a bowl. We're gonna go ahead and put some black pepper in there. A little bit of salt. And we're gonna be putting a little bit of garlic powder in there. Just mix that up. All right, so all we're gonna do is just take the chicken, dip it into the cornstarch, and we're gonna put it on the cooling rack. Try to get most of that buttermilk off of it. All right, this is what the wings look like after I go ahead and put them with that batter. It's time to go ahead and fry them. We're gonna start them off at 325 degrees and we're gonna bump it up to 365 degrees. Catch you in a sec. All right, I got some wings in my basket. We're gonna go ahead and drop them in slow. And we're gonna let that cook for about 2 or 3 minutes. Catch you in a sec. All right, this is what they look like after 3 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and bump up this temp to 365 degrees and drop them back in. And this is what they look like. I want to check each one, make sure they was all at least 165 degrees. They were well over that. And now it's time to toss these in that Alfredo sauce. And you know what time it is. All right, y'all, there you have it. Those garlic Alfredo chicken wings. Take a look at that right there. I went and tossed them in that Alfredo sauce, put a little bit more on top, put some chives on there. Man, it don't get no better than this. Okay, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Once again, my name is Trey. This is the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. Time to eat.